Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do 15-minute full body workout with the minimum equipment. That means only jump rope for one exercise. It's gonna be full body and we're gonna have two intervals, 15 seconds of your rest and 45 seconds of your work. So if you're ready, get your exercise ready, jump rope ready, and let's do this together. Okay, I hope you're ready. I hope you are warmed up and ready for this 15 minutes in front of us. Okay, I will have my timer ready, 15 seconds of the rest interval. And then the first exercise is low jacks. So you're gonna go low and then you perform a jumping jack in a lower squat position basically. So shoulders back and down, and we go. So abs tight, land softly. Okay. Today we're gonna have cardio and abs. So every second exercise is basically cardio, and then it's an ab interval after this one. Okay. Keep it low. Shoulders back and down. Good job. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so next one is side the abs to a knee hug. So you're gonna go a little bit to the side on your hips, and we're gonna do the up and then knee hug. Then V up on the other side and knee hug. So go slow and controlled. You can also do a knee tuck with your bent knees like that. And really try to engage your core. Chest lifted at all times. And one. Okay, next one we have jump rope. So I'll put this a little bit aside, and you can do whichever style you prefer. I always love my high knees. You can do also high knees if you want to. Abs tight and softly. Breathe. Nearly there. One. Okay, next one we have reverse abs. 2 legs apart. So we go down and just go into the ball and with the legs apart. And again. This will work your upper abs and lower abs at the same time. Put your hands below your glutes. Okay, next one, we have high knees. Okay. And we go. So shoulders back and down. And drag your knees up high. Let's go. You can do this. More seconds. Three, two, one. Okay. Next one. We're gonna do push-ups, but we're gonna go into the dead zone push-up. That means all the way on your belly. Now, tighten up your glutes, lift yourself up, down, and again, glutes, lift yourself up in one go. Abs tight. Breathe. Okay. Next one. Next cardio move, jump lunges. You can also do the reverse lunges if this will be too hard for you. Just go slow and steady with a perfect form, of course. Take a moment of rest if you need to in between. Next one, we're gonna have triceps push ups. So, either you have your hands close to you or you create a diamond shape with your palms and lean forward. So, your chest is touching basically the diamond shape. Finish strong. One more. Okay, next one, we have half burpee jumps. That means with no push-ups, alright? It could be like burpee, but we're gonna do 2 plank jumps and then 1 jump up, okay? So 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, up. And the second one, you jump up. Back straight. As much as possible. Touch your toes abs. Again, going down. Lift the legs up. and you're basically touching your toes. Really drive your upper body up.
Next one, we have ski abs to do commandos. Okay, so we're jumping side to side. So this is ski ab. You go down, knee tuck, down, knee tuck. Again, center, side, center, knee tuck, knee tuck. Side, side, turn. Center, center. Center. Okay, next one. It's a full body. Basically, it's a reptile kick through, push up, and so on. So we have push up, reptile, kick through, push up, reptile. Make sure that you have enough space so you got an idea. This is a full body movement. You go on your knees. One more. Next one, we have bicycle abs. Okay. Give me good bicycle, alright? So elbows on the ground, leg extended. You feel the burn now. Oh, that feels intense. Come on. 2, 1. Oh. Woo-hoo. And one more cardio. We have one leg burpee. So jump back, do one leg push up, jump on one leg forward and jump up, and then you change. Okay? You can jump one leg back, cross the ankle, nice push up, jump forward, get your balance up. Okay, this is a good one to practice your balance. You may be wobbling sometimes, which is okay. But if you do my yoga program, you'll get there. Good balance, pretty fast. Okay, next one. We have plank leg lift to kick aside. That one is very good one, very intense. Okay. And And we go, so up, side kick. Rotate your hip a little bit outwards. So when you do the kick, your toes goes up. It's great for your core. Come on. 10 more seconds. Two. Last one. Woo. And time. Okay. That was our 15-minute ab and cardio routine. This will leave you sweaty, breathless, and you will feel your core and you will feel your upper body as well, because we did a lot of push-ups, and this is an amazing workout to start your day, start your week, start your Monday. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Click the like button if you like the video, or if you don't like the video, it's up to you. Subscribe, like I said, and click the notification bell to get notified about my uploads. This February uploads will be a little bit more frequent. I'll do my best to put as much awesome videos for you guys so that you can basically start preparing for your summer 2020. Alright, till next time, wish you a wonderful day. Peace out.